I'm still gonna yell it every time you see me in. What's my favorite word? Why they gotta say it like short? You know.
Welcome back to another episode of Rosenberg. I'm your host, Black King Sebastian, and this is my lovely co-host, Dr. Ross.
Hello everyone.
Let's get straight to our hot topics for today.
So for our first hot topic, we want to start out with the Kardashians. Kim Kardashian recently just posted a photo that was unfiltered and not photoshopped, is what she says, before her 40th birthday.
And Dr. Ross, I'm going to stop you right there. The Kardashians, this is a thumbs down. We've seen so many photos of you, and now you're posting the children. You need to stop. You need to relax, Kim. Stop posting onto the Instagram. Go to the Bahamas.
The only thing I want to say, though, about Kim Kardashian is we do hear that your 40th birthday is going to be either today or tomorrow whenever this video is posted, and we want to say we'll be there. On to our next hot topic, we have Dancing with the Stars. So if you didn't see Dancing with the Stars, go watch it because it was a fantastic show this night. Like you, Sebastian, I watched it with Derek Hugh from World of Dance, and he went out there with his girlfriend and stunned the show. Stole the entire show. For our audience out there, if you haven't watched Dancing with the Stars, go watch it because it's a fantastic show.
No cap!
What are your thoughts about this, Black King Sebastian?
For all of the dancers on the Dancing with the Stars, they had spectacular performances, and we congratulate them for going out there and having fun.
Exactly.
Kim, you should go out there with the Kanye West sometime. Or even go out with the Black King. Let's move into our final hot topic for today.
So J-Lo recently went out and she modeled A-Rod's new sneakers in comfy leggings. So I'm starting to think A-Rod probably got the message from Kanye, but A-Rod has new sneakers now. What are your thoughts, Black Kings?
First of all, with J-Lo, you need to stop. This is the same with the Kardashians. Get some rest, relax. You've been in the news for way too long. Everywhere we turn, it's J-Lo.
Exactly. The only thing I want to say is, though, A-Rod, don't lie to us, and J-Lo, don't lie to us. You know you got those shoes from the Walmart, and you're just putting the name on it, the logo A-Rod.
I already know.
These are all of our hot topics because we're going to be quick because we're going to go to this fantastic movie theater right here. Hold on for us, Black King Sebastian.
We'll catch you guys on the next episode of Rose and Gold. Next, Kylie Jenner, sponsored by Playboy International. We out. We'll catch you on the next song. We'll catch you guys on the next song.
Rose and Gold.